This module explores the innovative use of ChatGPT in automating and optimizing the creation of financial dashboards. In today's fast paced business environment, the ability to quickly analyze and interpret financial data can significantly enhance decision making processes. Financial dashboards are crucial tools that provide a visual representation of an organization's financial health, allowing stakeholders to grasp complex financial information rapidly. We will be working on the same dataset that we focused on in the previous module. Here is the financial ratios table that we created with ChatGPT in an earlier module. Let's demonstrate how we can automate and speed up the creation of charts and dashboards using ChatGPT. We will attach the financial ratios table to the ChatGPT 4 browser alongside the following prompt. Create a comprehensive dashboard to represent the financial health of ABC Corporation using the provided financial ratios table. The dashboard should include visualizations for liquidity ratios, profitability ratios, leverage ratios, efficiency ratios, and cash flow ratios over the 5-year period. Ensure that each visualization is clearly labeled and includes appropriate titles, legends, and data points. Here is how ChatGPT responded to our prompt. Starting with data extraction, ChatGPT identified and parsed the necessary financial ratios from the provided financial ratios table. Following data extraction, ChatGPT utilized Python's matplotlib library to create detailed visualizations for each category of financial ratios. The charts for the current ratio and quick ratio displayed a gradual increase over the 5 years, visually indicating an improvement in the company's ability to cover short term obligations. In the profitability ratios, the charts included metrics like gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin, along with the return on assets and return on equity. Each line graph showed trends and fluctuations, providing a clear visual narrative of the company's earnings performance and return on investments. Leverage ratios, the debt to equity, and interest coverage ratio were plotted to reflect the company's financial leverage and its ability to pay off interest expenses, respectively, with both showing slight increases, suggesting a rise in leverage and interest sustainability. For efficiency ratios, we have visualizations for inventory turnover, accounts receivable turnover, and total asset turnover, highlighting how effectively the company manages its assets to generate sales. In the cash flow ratios, we have graphs for CFO to sales, CFO to total assets, and CFO to total debt, which have provided insights into the cash flow efficiency relative to sales, assets, and debt. Each graph was labeled with titles, legends, and data points, ensuring they were both informative and easy to understand. By assembling these individual graphs into a single comprehensive dashboard, ChatGPT not only demonstrated advanced data processing capabilities, but also highlighted its proficiency in enhancing financial analytic processes. This approach exemplifies how AI can transform raw data into strategic insights, aiding in more informed decision making. Once these charts are created, they can be copied and pasted into PowerPoint or other presentation tools. Although the formatting and presentation of the charts aren't perfect and can be improved if created manually in Excel, this method still provides a useful way to quickly gain insights. The charts clearly outline the trends in various financial ratios, Moreover, automating the creation of financial dashboards with ChatGPT not only saves time but also minimizes the risk of human error. Conclusively, by incorporating AI tools like ChatGPT into financial workflows, businesses can concentrate more on strategic decision making and less on the technicalities of data presentation.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.